Alright, so let's integrate x e to the x. And we're gonna need to do integration by parts to complete this. And integration by parts is pretty reasonable. It can be a little bit tricky, but we can take care of it. And the formula for it is u dv, the integral of u dv will be u times v minus the integral of v du. Okay, so what we need to choose here is a u and a dv. So then once we integrate it, and we're going to go through the selection and hope that we can take the integral of v du. So v should be something easy to integrate, and u should be something easy to take the derivative of, to derive. So let's pick x as u. X is u. So dx is du. Okay, and what about dv? We have to pick dv also. dv is going to be the rest here, because we already picked x as u, right? So this whole thing here will need to be dv. So e to the x dx is equal to dv. Okay, so now we're going to have to integrate this, or both sides, in order to obtain v. And if we integrate e to the x dx, we're just going to get e to the x. So e to the x is v. Great. So now that we have the integral of u dv, that's going to be equivalent to u, which is the x, times the v, which is e to the x, minus the integral of v, which is just e to the x, du. And du is just dx. Look at this. So that's going to work out nicely, because now we can take the integral of v to the x, and we're done. So far outside of the integral we have x e to the x, and we have a minus. Now the integral of e to the x is just e to the x, and we're just going to add a constant outside, a c, because we just integrated this. So that's it. The integral of x e to the x is x e to the x minus e to the x plus c. That's it, and I hope this made good sense to you. But now I will advise you to try quite a few questions in order for you to become proficient at integration by parts. And yeah, practice is more than necessary for this part of calculus. So good luck.